I've I've sorry about that. I've decided to play a game with everybody on my Instagram and my Facebook. So please go check that out. It's going to be called What's in the Fridge That Does Not Belong. Right. The first first of all, here's a picture of what I found in the fridge. Can you guys pause the video and comment down below? So here it is. I'll give you about like 5 minutes, and then I will tell you. So, okay. Alright, it's not a straw, it's a pencil. This was totally by accident. It was totally by accident. It's a white pencil. So let's keep this going and let's try to find out what does not belong in the fridge. All right. Yeah. Yes. So let's make sure you guys follow me on my Facebook and my Instagram. Mostly my Instagram will have it though. Mostly pictures will be on my Instagram. Yes. So let's keep this game going. Have your kids find it too. Just comment down below and we'll see who wins that round. If sorry about that. If you guys comment, I think I'll be yeah, I'm thinking about giving you guys a shout out. Yeah, yes. I'll be giving you guys a shout out if you guys want me to at the end of each game. If you guys comment, then I will never do last names. Probably your last initial of your last name will be your first initial. Like, say, Heather M. And then, yes. So, if you guys would like to do that, give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And please let me know if you guys want me to do this or not. If you guys want me to do this, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below as well. Always say found it in the comments on my Instagram. Always say found it and don't ask. No, you guys can ask what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you until the very end. So I will be doing this once a week. So it'll be Mondays. Hopefully it'll be Mondays. Hopefully it will be Mondays, and then you guys get a whole week of saying what you think it is, or you found it, and what you think it is too. If you guys are correct, then you guys will be a winner of a shout out. Alright, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.